Okay, here she goes. Oh no, you're so sad? It's frustrating. Try it again. Go, go, go. But you're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. Your toys are over here. I know. I know. You just haven't figured out that you've got to pull instead of push. Oh dear. Do you need help? Okay. Put down the camera and help me, Mommy. Oh, you're gonna crash. You're gonna crash. There you go. Oh no. I think it's time for a nap. Hi. Hi. Nap time. Okay. Say goodnight.